Hey, this is Doug with Mathnasium of Tallahassee and a special edition of our Number Sense video series. Today we're doing an unboxing video. Now I know what you're thinking, unboxing videos, aren't they just for toys or tech gadgets or the latest cell phone? Well, I know I haven't been excited about opening a cell phone since I got my Motorola Razr. Today we're going to talk about something that is exciting though, at least from our perspective. What math will your student be seeing in the new school year? So we're going to unbox the maths that your students will see in elementary, middle, and high school. And if you want to take a deep dive, go grade by grade, check it out on our website. We've even got some mini assessments that you can take to see if your student is ready for what they'll see in the new school year. Are you ready for what they'll see in the new school year? So let's start with elementary school. So students in elementary school, as we unbox their math, are going to be looking at numerical fluency for those younger students. So if you're in second grade, it's all about getting those skills down when it comes to addition and subtraction, up to and over 10. And then of course, as they move into third grade, you've got multiplication and division. Students who may still be struggling with those addition and subtraction facts, they're gonna have some challenges here, so you wanna make sure that those facts are solid. If you have a third grader, a rising third grader, and they're still relying on counting with their fingers perhaps, it's something that you'll wanna practice over the summer and get them ready to go as it relates to the new school year. And of course, third graders also now are introduced to the FSA. As students, of course, get through those fourth and fifth grades, we start talking about fractions and fractions with unlike denominators, and of course, word problems. Those will always be around. So that's your elementary school math unboxed. Now let's take a peek at middle school. So in middle school, the math continues to, of course, expand. You've got ratio and proportions, they get into exponents, pre-algebra, and then of course, they'll be introduced to a lot of new math techniques and terms. But these are all the skills that your student will start to see when it comes to that middle school math. And finally, we get to high school. And so as we unbox the high school math, students are of course taking Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, and Pre-Calculus. Many students in Leon County will start in Algebra 1 as early as 7th or 8th grade. It's a high school level course, so make sure your student is ready for that workload. In a lot of instances, it's not just the math ability of the student to tackle Algebra 1 or Geometry when they're in middle school, but it's their ability to keep up with the pace and the workload that they'll see with these high school level classes. So that is our unboxing of math as it relates to the new school year and what your student and what you will be seeing. And of course, as I said, you can go grade by grade. If you check out our website, check out those mini assessments, and good luck getting ready for the new school year.